Hi, Computer Science 1 class. It's Mrs. Miskin. We're going to go over lesson 25 now in code.org, also on Sprite Lab. Okay, Alien Dance Party. Screen number 1 is make a prediction. So you're going to look at the code, determine what you think it's going to do, enter in your answer there, and then you'll be able to run. Okay, I'm not going to do that one for you. This one is just a prediction, so there's no right or wrong answer. It's just whatever you think it is. Then when you hit run, you'll figure out if you predicted it right or if you need to just look through that a little more closely next time. Okay, screen number 2 is a video. And I'll let you go ahead and watch that on your own. This will tell you about how to make your sprites move and change their behavior. Okay, screen number 3. The alien was proud of its dancing skills on Mars, but now it can only move side to side. Replace the behavior block in here to a different one that will make the alien start spinning. Okay, so we have an event over here when the alien is clicked. This sprite will begin, this one says patrolling, but it wants us to change it to spinning. So let's go under behaviors. And we have spinning left and spinning right. So let's just see which one of those we want. Let's try spinning left. Okay, so I'm going to hit run. And then when I click on it, it starts to spin. Okay, let's go ahead and go on to screen number 4. Create a new sprite that looks like a pink alien. Okay, so we have one sprite that is a blue one. So we want to make a new one that looks like the pink alien. Make it do any move you want when it's clicked. Okay, so we need a when clicked block. So that one is going to be in events. And we want it to be the pink alien. And we'll grab our sprite begins. And we're going to change this one also to the pink. They have to match up. And let's see, what kind of behavior do we want? What about shrinking? Let's give that one a try. Notice over here underneath run, there are now 4 little buttons for the arrows. So at some point, if we wanted to change it, and we probably will, then they would be controlled by the arrow keys. Okay, I hit run. When I hit the pink alien, it shrinks. When I click on the blue one, it spins. Okay, and you can experiment with those. Number 5, form an alien dance crew. Create a third sprite that looks like a yellow alien and make it begin a dance move when clicked. Set all of your aliens to stand in a horizontal line like this. Okay, so we want to make sure that their coordinates match up a little bit. I'm going to drag these blocks over here just because my screen's a little bit smaller. And I want to add a new sprite. That is yellow. And let's see, if I put it right there, it's going to appear right over the pink one because that one's also 100 and 100. So let's change this to 300 and 100. Okay, so now it does appear in a row, and we need a when clicked. For this one, We want the yellow alien. And then Sprite begins. And this one is supposed to make a dance move. So let's see, is there any of these that might be a dance move? Let's try jittering. Okay, when I hit the blue one, it spins. When I hit the yellow one, oh, do you see what I did wrong here? I didn't change this one. So I need to change that one to yellow. And let's try it again. Okay. Number 6. Let's try using a different kind of event. Create a single key press event using when up is pressed. Okay. When each of the keys is pressed, each of your aliens changes color. Okay, choose any key you like, but they recommend up, down, left, or right. That makes more sense. Okay, so we have these when clicked. These are all the ones that we have been using. So let's grab a when up is pressed. And you see that there's a drop-down menu. So we'll just use up for now. We want to change the sprite's color. So we'll drag in each of these and then we'll change them. Okay, so we do have a blue one. And then which of those blocks do we want? Let's see. Okay. Oh, I dragged it out. Whoops. Just gonna go ahead and change that. I'll drag out a new one. You guys probably caught that, didn't you? Okay. So we want to change the color of the blue one too. Let's make it that color. And then this one is our pink alien. We're going to be really confusing here. And this one will be our yellow alien. And we'll make it a different color. Okay, so when the up arrow is pressed. So let's hit run. And I'm going to hit up. And they all change color. Okay. Number 7. These aliens are running wild. Let's calm them down by ringing a bell. First, add a new sprite that looks like a bell. Okay, so let's do that first. We want to make a new sprite. Okay, add an event that makes each alien stop dancing when the bell is clicked using stops everything. So first we need an event when the bell is clicked. Okay, so we'll drag this over here and choose the bell sprite right here. And we want stop everything. Okay, so they're moving around when I click on the bell. Okay, that doesn't work. This one needs to be our alien, and we need one for everyone. So there's our blue one. There's our pink one. And here's our yellow one. Let's give this one a try. Okay, they're all moving around. I'm going to click the bell, and they all stop. Okay, number 8. For the pink alien, fun is contagious. Touching it makes anyone want to dance. Use this block when sprite touches another sprite to make the blue alien begin a new dance move when the pink alien touches it. Okay, so we need a when. When blue touches pink, we want a new behavior for the blue. Okay. So let's just pick any one of these. And we'll just go ahead and hit run. Okay, you can choose any one of those blocks to go in there. Number 9, now create your own alien disco. Try these ideas. Create another alien that does another move when clicked. Make aliens do more dance moves when they touch each other. Okay, so here is the code that we've been using so far. All of our sprites, what they do when they begin, what happens when one touches another, and when the bell is clicked. Okay, so you can add your own code in there. I'm not going to give an example of that. You can choose what you want it to do. You can use these ideas or you can choose something different. Okay, and that is lesson 25.